Have you ever wondered why our Earth stays warm even when the sun goes down? Or why some nights feel warmer than others? It all has to do with something called the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is like a giant, invisible blanket wrapped around our Earth, keeping it snug and warm. But how does this magical blanket work? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine our Earth as a giant garden surrounded by a glass house, just like the greenhouses where plants grow. When the sun shines, it sends its rays down to Earth. These rays are like mini messengers of warmth and energy. The solar energy hits the Earth's surface and warms it up, making it a nice place to be. But what happens after the Earth gets warm? Well, some of that heat is sent back up toward space. You might think it all just zooms off into the sky, but not so fast. Here's where our invisible blanket, or the greenhouse gases, come into play. These gases are found in our atmosphere, like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. They act like the glass of a greenhouse. As the warmth, or infrared radiation, begins to rise, these greenhouse gases trap some of it, stopping it from all escaping back into space. By holding on to some of the heat, these gases keep our planet warm, even when the sun isn't shining directly on us, like a cozy blanket on a chilly night. Now you might wonder, why do some parts of the world seem to be getting warmer? Here's the twist. Humans have been adding more greenhouse gases to the air, mostly from cars, factories, and cutting down trees. This means our blanket is getting thicker than it should be, trapping more heat than usual. The result? Our Earth's temperature is slowly rising, like an oven that's been turned up a notch. Scientists call this extra warming global warming, and it leads to changes in weather, like hotter summers and melting ice at the poles. Learning how the greenhouse effect works helps us understand why it's important to take care of our planet. Simple actions like using less energy, planting trees, and finding new ways to travel can help keep our invisible blanket just the right thickness. So next time you feel the warm sunshine or notice how cozy it is even during the night, remember, it's all thanks to the greenhouse effect, a vital and amazing part of our incredible Earth.